Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to make a distorted glitch effect with Energy in Premiere Pro. Let's get straight to it. Upload your clip. First thing you're going to do is go to your effects panel and you're going to type in VR digital glitch. I'm going to drag that straight onto your clip. What I need to do next is I need to find the parts where I want the glitch effect to kick in. So I'm going to scroll through my clip and I'm going to focus on the points where the elbows are coming down. So here. I'm going to go to my effects panel, I'm going to scroll down to VR glitch, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to press the keyframe on master amplitude. I'm then going to go back 4 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to decrease my master amplitude to 0. I'm then going to go back to my previous keyframe and I'm going to move forward 4 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to reduce this to 0. I'm going to go back to the middle keyframe and I'm going to add more distortion. So I'm going to click the distortion. I'm going to increase the color distortion to 100%. So as you can see now, there's the glitch. Now I'm going to make sure as well now that I'm going to add the glitch to the second time the elbow goes down, which is about here. So I'm just going to highlight everything. I'm going to press Command C to copy, Command V to paste. I'm going to move it back. So let's have a look now. There you go. The next thing we're going to do to add energy is go to new item, adjustment layer, drag that on top of your clip, and we're going to aim for around 5 frames, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to cut it here. What I'm going to do now is go to my effects panel and I'm going to type in transform. I'm going to drag that onto my adjustment layer. I'm going to go over to my effects panel. And what I'm going to do here is, at the beginning of my adjustment layer, I'm going to increase the scale to around 105. I'm going to press the keyframe. I'm now going to move forward and I'm going to start adjusting my clip just to add a bit of energy, making sure that, you know, there is kind of rotation up, down, right, and there you go. So let's just have a look. What I might do here is actually just maybe increase the scale a bit more just to see that it's noticeable, so maybe increase it to 110. So let's have a look. There you go. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to press Command C. I'm going to go over to the next part of the glitch and I'm going to press Command V. I'm just going to paste it and just position it. And there you go, my people. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.